Design your own characters with Scratch's easy-to-use paint editor and personalize every aspect of your projects. Click on the stage icon at the bottom right of the screen and select the winter scene from the Outdoors section of the backdrop library. Now, go to the New Sprites section located underneath the stage on the right-hand side. Ensure that the editor is in bitmap mode, bottom left-hand side. Now, draw a skipping stick person sprite. Once the stick person drawing is completed, go to its small iconic costume representation. By clicking on the keypad or the top right side of the mouse, make a duplicate. Edit this second costume version so that the sprite's arms, rope and other features are positioned differently to the first version. Once completed, use a simple script to give animation to the skipping sprite. Edit the drawing, and see how the movement changes for the better. I hope this tutorial has shown you just how easy it is to create custom sprites in Scratch. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. What new skills will you learn next? So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and projects. Remember, every skill you learn brings you one step closer to achieving your goals. Like this video to show your support, and let's keep this coding journey going together.